Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your lady here, Sebeso, back with the popular demand. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do the right thing. Please subscribe. But if you are the returning subscriber, you know what? I love you guys. Okay, today is another day, and we'll be capturing concerning this beautiful product right here. It's MPL Castor Oil, MPL Black Castor Oil instead. So as you can see, I'm no longer keeping natural hair. I relaxed it. Hey, I couldn't let it. Bear with me. Okay. This was introduced to me by a friend about 3 months ago. I was still keeping my natural back then, and it was so painful. First thing, it was painful. Dandruff, itchy scalp, and the hair would break like crazy. Every time I would comb it, there would be bundles of hair on the comb, and that would so much move me from the inside. I'll be like, I'm trying to keep this hair, not to lose it. So every time I try to make it look good, it goes boom to the comb. Then someone came and said, no, you don't have to worry. You have a solution to your problem. Try using this. I tried it, and if I'm sharing it with you, it means I was satisfied. So we're going to do a preview based on what the producer claims it does and what I've experienced, and then from there we'll try to look more into it. Okay, I'm using this together with the MPL Black Castor Oil shampoo every time I shampoo my hair. Ever since I started using it, I'm so happy. I'm the happy customer. Here's the thing, they're claiming that the product, when it's regularly used, it will help you leave the hair feeling stronger and thicker. In the beginning, hey, my hair, it was light, like light. If you know light, you know what I'm talking about. It was light, and every time I would do this, I would most definitely come with some piece of hair because it was thinner and easily broken. So after using this, it got more thicker and more stronger. Yeah, it's strong now. That is why when I comb it, it's in rare cases that I don't find hair upon my comb. It comes out so clean, not because my hair is relaxed, but because what they claim, it actually does it. Even when I was keeping the natural hair using this, when I comb my hair, very little hair will be on the comb, not that much that caused me a little bit of stress and stuff like that. So one other thing they claim the product does is it is also suitable as a treatment product for dandruff and dry scalp. Okay, there are times I do deep moistening, and there are times I just apply it on my scalp. And ever since I used it, those flakes that I used to see on my hair, when I have about a week after my hair wash, I no longer see them. Okay, the thing is, I don't take long with my hair being in that condition without being washed, because I have a sensitive skin. Whenever I take long, ooh, I start having some things I don't understand. When you look at it, you see that this hair is clean, but the owner is not comfortable with it. So I take like Boma 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks I do a hair wash. I blow it up and I use my products. This is my favorite. So one other thing they claim it does is, they say it's rich with omega-9 fatty acids, which are known to have a conditioning and moisturizing effect on the scalp and the hair. Okay. Even the food that we eat, the minute you hear them claiming that it has omega-9, know that it is going to have certain impact on your hair. Omega-9 fatty acids help the hair to be less detangled, easy to comb through. It gives it the nutrition that makes it more healthier, and it remains stronger. So if they claim that this nutrient is here, but for me to have it, I normally use avocados on my hair, so it means I'm no longer going to go out there buy avocados just to apply on my hair, because I have what I need right in here. So every time I want to condition my hair, do a deep moistening, I would add some little protein from the eggs. Either use egg white or the egg yolk, and then add some few teaspoons of my oil. Apply the mixture to my hair. Use a shower cap, or I would rather, sorry for that, I'd rather use a shower cap and then cover my head with a dupe, go to sleep. I'll wash it again the next morning. But if I use that basin, I normally wash it out after an hour. Okay, so another thing they claim it does is that it also helps improve scalp condition and hair loosure. Guys, don't be jealous. As you can see, my hair is glowing. It's so alive. So alive. Wow. That's the results of using this. So here's the thing. If you are suffering from dandruff, itchy scalp, dry scalp, the hair that always look dull, like you used Vaseline, though you didn't. Don't ask me how I know I once used it. Oh, this is sometimes okay. Go for this. You'll be good. Your hair will always look healthier, more shining. You know, if I don't know if you can see it well, but it's so awesome and I'm loving it. Love my hair. It's so easy to go through, you know, even when I'm combing it with the comb. So easy to go through, just because of this beautiful product. So there's some other ways you can use it, and there's some other products you can substitute with it. So here's the thing, like they mentioned, conditioning. You can deep condition your scalp, your hair using it. Anything, if you were using olive oil, you can substitute that oil with this MPL Black Castor Oil. I trusted. And one other thing, if you're keeping a natural hair, this is so good for you. Your hair volume is going to increase. Even your hairline is going to improve very tremendously, because castor oil is known for that effect. So MPL has done it for you. Go use this product and thank me later. I'm loving it. I hope you love it too. A friend once recommended it to me because he saw my problems, my hair problem. Actually, you know, there are those hair problems that you wouldn't share with everybody. You comb your hair nicely, you cover it, you put your bath, you go out and you're good. But because you know you have a problem, you be going around asking people when you see their hair good, what are you using? What are you using? Then they will just, some will cut you short and don't tell you the reason. But some will be faithful and tell you, girl, go for this. And I managed to get a faithful friend, so loving, so kind, who just told me, okay, if you're experiencing this, the solution is in this bottle, baby. And I trusted her and went for it. I'm not regretting now. So why not try it for yourself? It's affordable. You can get it anywhere. If you are here in Lesotho, Pep Store, can get it. Clicks with less than 50 bucks. So why not try it? Why not try it? Come, let's enjoy the benefits. Okay? You know what? If you watched the video till the end, thank you. I appreciate you. Leave the comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you once came across it, share your experience in the comments. And if you have any question to ask, I'm here for you guys. Talk to me, I'm your lady. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.